Greetings, beautiful people. I have missed cooking with you all. Today I am bringing you a rice dish that is very far from boring. Yes, rice can be boring, but not this crispy garlic butter rice. Friends, all you need are garlic cloves, a bunch of them, a handful, and you're going to mince them. What the trick here is that they need to be minced so that they are all the same size, so they cook evenly. Because the next step after mincing is we're going to fry them crispy. Now line a tray with a paper towel to receive your crispily fried garlic. And your oil should be heated up and rippling on medium heat. So my heat level goes up to 10. I started off at 5. Pour in your minced garlic and stir the garlic until it begins turning golden brown. The key is keeping an eye on it and making sure that you turn the heat off the second it begins turning golden brown, because it continues to cook even when it comes off of the heat. Then separate the oil by straining. Pour the crispily fried garlic onto the paper towel, spread it out, and hit it with some salt to season it. And then leave it alone to sort of air dry, and then they become really crispy at that point. Now, this garlic infused oil is what we're going to use to cook the rice. So a little bit goes in there. And then we're going to combine jasmine rice and basmati rice. This combination, I find, offers you the best of both worlds. What I mean is you get the fluffiness from the basmati rice. That is a natural occurrence with basmati rice. And then you get the softness, the tenderness, and the perfumed fragrance and essence from the jasmine rice. Next step is toasting your thoroughly washed rice grains in the garlic infused oil. Now hit it with some salt because you now need to season the rice. And a pinch of crushed black pepper will go a long way to amplify the flavors. Now you're going to toast the rice until it is dry and toasty. Then go in with some butter. Now traditionally you'd want to melt the butter with the garlic infused oil before adding the rice. However, I chose to delay the addition of the butter because I did not want to develop a brown butter essence. That can be overwhelming in a very simple dish like this, where your garlic essence also needs to stand out and not be overpowered by the brown butter flavor. Now, when you add the butter later on, though, when the rice is completely toasted, you'll still get a butter flavor, even a brown butter flavor, without it being overwhelming. So that's why I did that. Now you want to go in with broth followed by a little bit of water. Broth, because again, this dish is very simple. So we want to avoid diluting the flavors with water. So use broth, and in the absence of broth, you can use a bouillon of choice. And now the remnants of our garlic infused oil must be stored. Imagine the possibilities here. Omelette in mind, yes. All right, friends, or we can make some more of this dish. Anything you can think of, even dipping bread into it. So yes, I recycled a bottle and a glass bottle, and that's been stowed away. The oil I use is great for dipping or even dressing a salad. Yes, I use cooking olive oil, so that's perfect. Now I have chopped some flat leaf parsley, which we're going to hit the rice with for a pop of color and also for a fresh fragrance once everything comes together. So that has been done and set aside. Now we're 10 minutes into the cooking on medium heat, 5 out of 10. Now we'll go and remove the lid, stir the rice to fluff it up, and introduce some air pockets in between the rice grains. Then we're going to cover with a parchment paper followed by the lid. Turn the heat down now to between 2 and 3 and cook for the next 30 minutes. You should have condensation at this point. Separate that. Make sure that that condensation does not get into the rice. It should be done cooking. The rice grains must now be soft. It will now be soft and fluffy at the same time. And absolutely gorgeously delicious. Yes, you are going to glorify this dish in every way. It is beautiful. Now we're going to hit it with our crispily fried garlic. Oh my goodness, friends. Now, you would think this is going to be overwhelming garlic flavor. No, 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 no. The toastiness of that garlic makes it nice and mild. It is not overpowering at all. It is rather very delicious. It's like having bacon bits in the rice dish. It's absolutely beautiful. It makes a whole lot of sense. You just must try it to know. So now we're serving it. After adding the garlic, we'll fold it in and, eyeball it. Add enough, as much as you want. You cannot overdo it with the garlic. Trust me and believe me. You're going to hit it with some more garlic. Make it look pretty and presentable. Yes, friends. And your chopped parsley, a little more butter, which is going to melt beautifully into the rice. And yes, we're going to serve it Ghana Angwamo style, which is typically plated and served with an omelet. So I have some whole eggs, which I've seasoned with some salt, crushed black pepper, added vegetables of choice to it, and we're going to fry our omelet in our garlic-infused oil. We have to bring that back. Now, Ghana Angwamo style also incorporates sardines. So here comes our sardines for some more protein and more flavor. Why not? And I had some more of the crisply fried garlic. So yeah, I hit it with some more of that. And don't forget to move your loose eggs around. That's how you cook an omelet. Don't just place it in the pan and leave it to set throughout. You want to move it around. That incorporates air and makes your omelets nice and fluffy and very light. All right, friends. So yeah, we have some green chili sauce, 2 styles, one fried and one nice and fresh. And then in the middle there, we have our red chili sauce. And that is how we serve our angwamo in Ghana. And yes, like I said, I am serving this angwamo style. So we've plated some for me, of course. And yeah, here comes our fresh green chili sauce, and then our red followed by our green chili sauce that's been fried. And look at how soft yet fluffy this rice is. And when I tell you, when you bite into the rice, you're also biting into the crispy fried garlic. Oh, it is heaven on a plate that makes it into your mouth. And that bite was heavenly. Hands down, friends. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I have enjoyed cooking with you today. Make it a great day, and as always, have fun, especially in that kitchen.